Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to change and disable beep volume on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, you can simply expand your control center. Then, you can head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you can go to General, and right at the top we have Beep Volume. We can click that. And as you can see, we can go from high to medium to low to mute entirely. Though I wouldn't advise you to go to mute here. Instead, you can set for example medium. And if you want to just disable the sound itself, you can always do that through here. Because this setting will also disable our whole sound. And as you can see, we no longer see or hear any beeps. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.